Adam. He's fascinated with the vacuum and the hair dryer. He's stimming. Can you get up? Okay, let's pick up the vacuum, okay? Pick it up, baby. Good job. Come on, you can do it. Oh, there we go. Excited that you have the vacuum? Hmm? Careful. He likes to hear it pop and click.
I know.
You excited? Hmm?
You're not stepping on it. There, step. There you go.
His two favorite toys. We're just missing the brush. He likes the hairbrush. Hey, handsome.